welcome to Toyota Long Mile. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Yaris. It's the 1.5 hybrid luxury, finished off in red. We have our LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with automatic lights, cruise control, automatic wipers, and our half leather seats, fully adjustable, push button start, dual zone air conditioned climate control, Toyota touchscreen radio with reverse camera, full Bluetooth and satellite navigation. Just going to the rear. As you can see, ample legroom and headroom. Again, the half leather seats. Very generous boot space. The rear seats do fold down 60/40 split for added storage. This 2016 Toyota Yaris Hybrid Luxury. It's in a low tax bracket, €170 per year, and is now available to view at Toyota Long Mile.